In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to make money in Starfield. So let's get started. So as you guys know, money makes the world go around, and this especially applies to the world of Starfield. While the core gameplay of Bethesda's space RPG involves exploration and completing quest lines, it also involves splurging money into upgrading a spaceship, your dream home, and items. Unfortunately, you quickly realize that money runs out in the blink of an eye, be it buying ammos, changing parts to increase storage, or outright buying better ships. Everything requires credit or money, so you need to know the best ways to make money fast. So I'm gonna list a few, and you can follow them and make as much money as you want. So the first method is to sell off junk items in your inventory. So if you're a person like me who picks up everything they see, you're gonna have a lot of stuff in your inventory which you don't even use. So all you have to do is go to your inventory and then delete all those items, and you're gonna make a lot of money by just selling those off. Another one is to complete missions from the mission boards. So as you know, Starfield features numerous activities, side quests, and a long main quest, but you can still take up different odd jobs to earn additional money. So that's one other method to earn money. Another method is to loot dead bodies for money. So let's say you kill someone, so you can always go ahead and loot their body, and you can gather their items. So this is gonna add to your own inventory. And the last method is to create an outpost in the game. So let's say you find a planet which has many good resources. So all you have to do is you have to build an outpost building system there. So it's gonna automatically extract and sell those materials on that planet, and the goods are automatically gonna come into your account. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.